Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of May the 10th to the 16th. And there's a lot of new deals with high value coupons, and this is the week to definitely stock up. I think a lot of us are looking for smart deals, especially if you might have register rewards or store register rewards. Like, what do you do with them? Roll them into one of these deals. So the first deal that we're going to look at is with the Scott. I recommend toilet paper. It seems that the paper towel is very, very teeny tiny. We'll talk about it in a quick second. So this is the best value in my humble opinion. The 12 count or the 6 equals 18. Now, for a lot of you that might be like, I can't do a lavender perfumey thing. It is actually the tube that's scented, and for whatever reason, if you're in the store, smell it. Just smell it. Because if you're like all worried about perfumes, I don't believe this has a very heavy perfume notes, and you can always remove the tube if you're like, I don't like scented toilet paper. So I'm just throwing that out there because I've used this and had no problems with it, and it's a really nice toilet paper and very large rolls. And if you don't have a ton of room in your stockpile, it'll do the trick. You can do this deal curbside or in store. I would personally do it in store because WAG 10 is not applying. Buy 4, get $2 back in Walgreens cash. Not a register reward. I always assume it's a register reward, but no, it says Walgreens cash right there, bottom left-hand corner. Grabbing 4 of these beauties. Again, I would go with toilet paper. I think it's the best bang for your buck. It's 15, and pay that or use a register reward, whatever you want to do, Walgreens cash, and you're getting $2 back. As long as you're not doing it with a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. But not a bad little deal. I think it shakes it out to $3.25 per pack of toilet paper, which isn't bad because this is Scott, and this is the one brand that did not increase their prices like a lot of other companies. The paper towel is also included, and that is on the left-hand side. That 6 rolls for $5 is very, very chintzy compared to the Walgreens JCPenney 6 equals 9. It just doesn't last, whatever they did with that 6 rolls. Like, it's just chintzy if you guys have tried it. So we have no manufacturer coupons or anything like that to go with this. And if I had to buy one, it would be the $3.99 Walgreens. It's just a better quality. And if you guys have never tried it, it's very similar to Sparkle, probably made in the same factory, in my humble opinion. A little teachable moment. If you were going to use that $10 booster from last week or this week, 10 back when you spend 20 on Kenvue products, it is in fact a store coupon. So it's not going to work with a booster like a 10 back when you spend 45, because that's like using Walgreens cash on your transaction. So if you use it in your transaction, it's like you've spent $35. So just be really mindful of that. Sorry if I didn't mention that, but that is in fact a store coupon. Be really, really mindful of that, guys. And it's, again, one of the thousands of rules at Walgreens that makes things confusing, but you are subscribed here, so hopefully that's crystal clear. And I believe the Kenvue promotions are continuing. If you were going to do Listerine or Neutrogena, please double, triple check tags at your specific store. As I was talking about that Scott's toilet paper, if you grab, say, 2 rolls of this Walgreens, it's called Ultra Quilted, and then you flip them. It's like a triple roll. So 2 rolls of this would be an equivalent to that Scott pack, if not a little bit more. And it's a really good quality paper towel. I think it's supposed to be like Bounty. And it's $1.88 this week, and it's really fantastic. Another one that I think is very similar to Charmin is this for $1.88. So if you could track these down, they've kind of changed around the packaging a little bit. So I wonder when these old packages will get cleared out at every store. I know that a couple months ago, stores were clearing them out for like 49 cents, but it's neither here nor there. That was only a couple regions. So here it is. If you wanted to grab, say, 6 of these $1.88 products, those toilet paper packs or the paper towel, that would be $11.28. If you have that Kenvue register reward and you want to throw it into this deal, very smart. We're doing this deal without a booster, so you can use Walgreens cash or these store register rewards, because it's one of these things like, how do I use this Kenvue? It will scan. It does say on beauty products, so if the cashier wants to give you a hard time, you obviously can't use it. Maybe buy something in the travel section and buy the rest paper. Make it happen. The third deal that I have prepared for you is on the $6.99 Quilted Northern. Now, Quilted Northern did something interesting where they gave us $2.50 manufacturer coupons. So that's $3 off. And this is the fancier toilet paper. So they're $6.99 a pop. When you buy two, you get back a $3 register reward. Now, hopefully you guys can track down those coupons in your app. I'm not going to show and tell every coupon for this video just to keep it a little bit brief this morning. So grabbing two of these, it's going to be $13.98. We have $2.50 coupons. So just look for Quilted Northern $6.99 in the app. And then at the bottom where those coupons are itemized, you would just press them so they'll become from red to green. So you activate them on your account. After the two coupons, you'll pay $10.98, get back a $3 register reward, making it $7.98 for the two or $3.99 per bag of Quilted Northern Magic. This does not happen at this price point, and I think you guys know that. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, and if you might have a Kenvu register reward, throw it into the mix for a lesser out-of-pocket and be smart. Final deal that I have prepared for you guys is this one, that when you buy three, it's a second tier P&G paper product. They're called the Essentials. So we have this 4 equals 8 for the paper towel. It's not bad. I prefer the Walgreens one though, but we have dollar digital coupons to attach with this. So it makes the deal just a little bit sweeter. We have $1 for the paper towel. And then these toilet papers, I believe we have $2 ones. Your account might be a little bit different than mine. These are the 6 equals 24 rolls. How do they do that math? It always seems to like 6 equals 18, 6 equals 24, 6 equals 5 billion rolls. I mean, it just seems like quite a bit, but we're going to grab 3, whatever variation that your account has for digital coupons. Double, triple check. Mine is 2 paper towels and 1 toilet paper. Math for this one, guys, and remember you're doing this deal in store because it involves a register reward. Grabbing a mix of the Charmin and Bounty Essentials, remember we need to grab 3 of them at $4.49 a pop. 3 of them is $16.47. Subtracting $3 coupons, that's $3 melting off. You're going to pay $13.47. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $10.47 for the 3 or $3.49 per unit of paper. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Again, if you have that weird Kenvu store register reward, throw it into this because there's nothing smarter right now than stocking up on paper. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.